You've studied English 4 years, but still get confused between in, at, and on, right? Let's fix that, once and for all. I'm Daily English Teacher, and by the end of this video, you'll never mix them up again. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me bring you more lessons like this. In, used for enclosed spaces, months, years, cities, and countries. Examples: in the room, in Seoul, in Korea, in June, in 2023. In the morning, in the evening, Tip: think of in as something inside a boundary, time or space. Common mistake: saying at night, not in night. Special expression. At, used for exact points, time or place. Examples: at 5 o'clock. At noon. At night. At school. At the bus stop. At the corner. Think of it as a pinpoint, one exact spot or moment. Common mistake: I'm in the restaurant versus I'm at the restaurant. In equals inside. At equals location in general. On, used for surfaces, days, and transportation. Examples: on the table, on the wall, on my phone, on Monday, on my birthday, on Christmas Day, on the bus, on the train, on the plane, think of on as touching or connected to a surface, physical or abstract. Common mistake: in the bus, on the bus. Let's test you real quick. Which is correct? 1. I'll meet you, the airport. 2. See you, Friday. 3. I live, Seoul. 'Drop your answers in the comments. Answer: 1 at, 2 on, 3 in. Now you finally understand the difference between in, at, and on. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more clear, daily English lessons. I'm Daily English Teacher. See you in the next class.